for. Oba we diane huwa for. Oshishe riasi japati nina. Odina won fetio. Odina won fere data wo. Trickster to say Maradona. Oji from Britain in your brain pon ho. Oba wedding in Yatio. Yeah, I say yeah.
Wait, no.
Hey.
Get the idea. Was it Jack commanding the engine?
I told you to me and maybe one.
Don't touch me. A young grunty, never ever got today. Hey, a young grunty, never ever.
What they young to the school, you know, the end so fun.
A young grunty, never ever got today.
Done.
Don't be so bad.
The away and so be a sema. Send your man with your chum.
Now, make me who do office watching. I was watching.
Macatas has offered me, you have to look gentle.
I ain't gentleman
to pack a semi fit school, son, where it is a wedding. A quay anymore, what a young quay, Jawas.
I said, okay.
A young grunty, never
I am
to be out like that.
Kiswa to me if I want it.
Are Papa. Yes.
Papa. Yes, Papa.
Na adan. Ade na hawo. Anti wo de bia ye behu na one mema. Ade asem.
Papa, we am school for no best rame.
Wo classmates. Eh, Kiswa. Eti wo de ya je wa anye. Sesia anti krom ha. Woni medi an ye de ato. Ya se o fro TTMH. Tata mema ho. Eti wa wo gi dimboni se ma ho eti wo pe.
Papa me omu kami dem nim.
Se ne wonte ya ne me kan kire wo. Wati. Se meje na se wo so wonyi a. Wo de tata wanyani som.
Mama show fi fa.
Se wo awo dia wo bie so a ade bie wo bia so obi. Yo pa hu bia obi hu wo.
Papa fi ave so. Bacha no e.
Me se ade bia wo pa hu no. Wo be hu wo krata no. Na de na wo san dwa me hu. Wo de kan wo be hu de wo. Ye ya Kisiwa.
Papa,
she bibi yo, she bibi. She bibi.
Papa me na fofo.
Yo.
Menyalete.
Kiswa, mano, o papa na.
Jawas.
No, the Oka Sakra unya but will be gigi.
Me de me kwejo mo. Me kwejo.
Okay.
Hey.
Na we.
Kasa chop down for some so on.
Mami, you some na chire we.
Done.
Ya nya to the big grand me hu ya na person chire me.
Ya nya de titi.
Me
nya sa na ya de. Oh, when you was also san jai.
Hey. Come here.
Kisi ko Mike ko fi enwure beba ho.
Mo beba.
Isua.
Eh, minua bay. Wa she.
Isua.
Epo.
Beba, why?
Oh, maybe.
Beba, why? Isua.
She. Kisi wa mo yo ba wo.
Sentina wo he. Man hwe no anye boni.
Na wo. Ah, de na.
Hwe no anye boni. Wuti asem ka kire me. Wose menye gente.
Na de wa yo hu, de wa yo tiri hu.
Asem me na peso ka kire me.
De wa yo tiri hu.
Obi a na si wo sabi wo peso yi ni tiri nwi.
We. Dan, mama kan asem chiro.
We are me we yes am no na
tiri mu. Mama kan asem chiro. Oba de, open na, you bold. And what's why you bold?
That's one action, one him said
jai. The oye na de. Na yemfa.
Kura madam no so okay.
Yemfa sa me pa me mu wa so ankwase asem.
ya be for sorry ya mia omoboa masinkete Viene makuma pe yeah ya be for sorry ya mia omoboa masinkete Viene makuma pe one pill on mia one pill menina one po yeah if ya be for sorry ya mia omoboa masinkete me banya makoma pe hey if ya be for sorry ya mia omoboa masinkete me yen if ya be for sorry ya mia omoboa papa one pill merana makoma pe papa one pill menina papa one pill onemia papa one pill na anete me be fo menina hey papa one pill me be fo denti krom akosia ne nentra papa yi obi aba wa no ade ko Germany abna jeba mami du fie ba abna jeba
ai du fie ba ai
wonnam ko ai wona gogo krache bi hu no ero ai ndi ko kro kase
na edi aba asem na aba
akabe
edi asem edi ai
mi go do kase mama me na ede
yes
akabe
kabi bi chira me nam de me hot kwa tete me
akabe min ko amede enko Nigeria ya je ebes na chiro me no
au ebese ebese what chira you dey yam ase ebese wo firi krom ha che papa ana what chira wo
so Mizaka let every ebes mama no papa
oh we dey mo ani nye
say ene ne wo kro no so ko pe greener pasture unim greener pasture
ai green ai
nka so pasture miss greener pasture
na dia ya
si wo ko pe bibi aba mi edi me wa o mo bra ye ya me fa me aye enzo so me fa me ebese wa Nigeria Intiminya meme bia me nwan no.
Aya abesi. Ho, na nya abesi. Ena betina ha. E kan se wunti no wotu kwai. Wose wunti wotu kwai na krom ha obe ye wote se obe ye kama, obe ko obi ehun se krom ha na e wawo. Ena ono abesi no se sai ka ni ye mamiti.
Ajira ya mpo no kwa no wo ye mi se. Oko grofo Germany bi aka. Ngo jira mi mpo. Kisiwa. Finally, I have written to you. I want to tell you that I have completely been informed about your waywardness in the village since I came to Nigeria.
Oh, can you tree na mintibi?
No, makano. Did it out of Makano? Oh, mammy, Musso Mumpiness. Yet, then Cromum.
Just say, Ebisi, when you see Papa, Matiti and why you see when you see Ka, Nessicana so when you know, Winty and a wall back what they brow. No, about the car. Eba, no, Barbara, not come with them, damn it, them, yes, Episi asiwo, e wompe. Aba, what the can ba mo ba dem wo da kan nim. Why? Agege ni ba no. Wo krom ha no ofire. Wo na wo firi kura yi mu. Na ebesi nsusu firi kura yi mu. Nti oba oba. Na sa agege ni dia ne ode ne kopa sika o. Wode ne kopa sika e de bre wo. Nti no de ma ne ha wo. Ah! We na what wuti ni so baba ma. Unu to aye gba wo yi. Hia. Minya duane na yenya bi ni. Opani ya dure ye o. Ye papa. Sesa ne sa me ya mo sesa ne sa me sesa ni mo adwo me kakra. Ye. Se meti me kura ja poma na to ho. Ye. Ah, pepuani. Enso. Krumba. Kru fini na ho eba. Fra gege. Gege wo fi gomba.
Ah, eyapa, iti me pa mini ye. Ah, eyapa, enumbasie penny ye. Me trene me dachi, ochina diaba to me oh me yakopo, hume mabona chimi yo.
My beautiful darling. Oh, that's right. You know, I need to handle you with care because you're beautiful.
Thank you, darling.
Now, finally, we are here. How do you see the place?
It's beautiful.
That's right. You know, let's get in.
Brother Evans! Brother Evans! Oh. Brother Evans! Ah, Brother Evans!
Come on, come on.
Brother Evans! Mommy!
He's my brother.
Mommy!
My brother, let's go.
Okay.
Oh my goodness.
Hey! Brother Evans! Brother Evans!
And I hope you love my team.
Hello.
Papa! 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 Brother! Brother Evans is coming! Brother Evans is coming! Yeah! FBA! Brother Evans is coming! Brother Evans is coming! Brother Evans! Brother Evans! Brother Evans! Brother Evans!
Mom, I must not waste much time, you know. Jessica Onyika.
Oh,
Jessica Onyika. She's my wife.
Oh, you have such a lovely wife.
You are welcome. You are welcome. Jessica, my mom, Mama Redu, and my Papa Redu. And my kid brother.
Hey, brother.
Kofi, the one I've been telling you about.
Yeah. Kofi, how are you?
I'm very fine, madam.
I've heard so much about you.
Thank you very much.
You mean man can do?
Oh, no time wasting. Hey, miss.
I'm happy to see you all again.
Hey, your wife is so lovely. My son. You have a nice woman. All of them are saying you are beautiful.
I'm glad.
Oh, we are so happy.
I've got eyes like this. I love
you know, he took after me. Look at his mother.
Mama, even at her age, she looks
yes.
like
She's not 18 years. And my pop is
she looks like a teen.
Amen.
Yeah, Katachie. Bamana. Was in the Mrs. and passes Hano. Yes. Papa. Ah. I don't want you for Papa. Yes, I can from a water. I come to the yo. And your Papa. Richashabo. Yeah, Aquaba. Yes, almost. Yes, yeah. I'm a near J. Now, what to say? Mrs. Yummy Yana, come to her. Or penny, a druna. A yakakra. Hey, Massy. I'm a near J. Yantanasi. Ramiantanasi, and in Yaman, yeah. Hey. Oh.
Yeah, Mama, sir. Mubaya, I did the go new. Monam.
Sure. A quanso dear Boko. Jayatis would a yaba, Massy Nimpong, Quantu Maba. Yes, we intimate now, see a man of Quaba. Yes, a baby man of Quaba. Japa Pemwa, Tinia Baye. A jack, a more Quabo.
Yo. Mubaya, no credit. Send your wild kind, me bay. Or quite going to much it. Nothing, I'll be why you to Macquemma. Samly, or Barbecan, sir. War base so, Yamia Daroma. What in a year come. I can home at the number. It's Mubaya, send your motian, and no credit. Tia Damasi, Emma Macquaba.
Yeah, and the Mamma Quabo. Yeah, I know my Aquabai. Hi.
Mamma, let us say.
Was she a fool? Yeah, me back, yeah.
You see what to say?
Oh, no, 1 year. Said all called Jan or call Yenwa. I ban our betons, happy pen and 1 year.
Why is everybody praising me in this village? At least I've seen one beautiful woman.
You and it.
She's very beautiful.
Very beautiful.
Of course.
Thank you very much. Thank you. And you're also beautiful.
Huh.
Yeah. Wow.
She's beautiful.
Yeah, I know. My teachers used to tell me that.
Oh, really? You are a student?
I used to be. But I'm a dropout now. No, I mean due to some circumstances.
Circumstance no crapa. When you were a yarn and I took you. Oh, and from man fire and them, I mean, can't you know? Someone over Bonamaniana, Miss Masumi. Yes, circumstance. Eh, 1 and another, see. Oh, and a year, what by yet 1 dear, and a jack went to a buy and would down a hawk and would obey.
Mamma want it.
Bessie said, yes, circumstance or some money and no bonnet.
Wanted your welcome.
Want it. And another circumstance. And to a Jan Hawk, and that's what the other for we. Circumstance. A Jan Hawk, circumstance. Yay.
Anyway, what's your name?
My name is Kusiwa.
Eh?
Kusiwa.
Kusiwa.
Obisame dino bitamza oye mema.
Enti udin odi kusie. Ya fani Kusiwa, ya fani Kusiewa, Kisiwa. Kusie dia wa namfam tom. Ebi wo ha papa. Ubenya bi kura awie.
I'm say why Mubaya ebe man akwaba eye. Monko na yenkan ya abusia sem.
Na sabu susu asam ne yete hwa ka enya hwe. Wotira hwa bi mu anaye.
Kusiwa.
Dua.
I like you very much. Would you like to be my friend?
Yes, I would like to be your friend.
I like you. Papa, at least I have one friend who can take me all around this village and show me around.
Hey, what's it?
See, was it Madame Four?
Oh, yeah, then I say, a gua. Shut up, I say. Why, then you may, and 7 more Gianni see her, made him a young one. Any mre, contomire, perhaps you shall be a check. 8 and you may be a fear, but Betty D. Ate,
Hey, Papa, I want Christiwa to stay behind and take me around.
No, she's going to cook with the mother, so allow her to go.
You sure?
Yes.
So are you gonna come tomorrow?
Yes, I will come. I will come.
You promise you're gonna come?
Wakasa ho wabakura wini baby wakasa and kisiwa and circumstance and kusie and de ban de ben wo so wo ye ho wo bi kunu no aba abeje no no ate stranger in town je no ate me come try okunu no we okunu no me no me ya brafo wonte eno na ye me hye me dwam me na ka ho wo okunu no brofo e kan say
the VIS had to see our baby
she anka meka
she am quite
me se brofo no ka bi kakra kire na me
ka ni afa ye ho agene
sorry time me sa be ka biem okay yes baba wait
ya say what you say ya nanka atasembena
kenyu na bre
so wo yire no kra bisawa Daniel se ne be ya wo nfa asema na wo ka
abaire mate BBS we forget.
Our people like you so much. They're all praising you. They say you are so beautiful.
Thank you. But I hope Christiwa is going to come tomorrow for me.
Oh, yes.
Be careful with your hand, Kissy.
I'm an expert, you don't eat. Taste it. Okay, wait, taste it. It's nice, you know it?
Yes, it's
What is the name?
I
know.
I've seen people take it, but I've never tried it.
Well, you are written here, of course.
Kishi?
Huh?
What did you say?
Huh?
What did you say?
I say it's nice.
But it's very hard.
It's hard. We are going to carve on pie and it's nice. Yeah, we are the boo and worry. What an I have to have a to bear. Yeah? Do you understand that? I'll show you. I'll take it tomorrow. Bye.
I don't know what you're about.
Okay, so.
What do you say? Jessica. We need papa. Boy, any pow.
Jessica, dear way.
The senior, see a pow, be with Nigeria. Abba. And who say, who sin who so. Oh, I ran a bed.
Catch your betcha, no,
who pa, who pa, no, a dodgy. Only need bones and one. I can't read it. Just all bones. How you crassy? How you crassy? And this just can't say. Oh, no, be a father for a panasem.
Hey, Missy Confidence, what did Jessica want to say? I have some control.
That's all you.
Oh, yeah.
Rather, the only goes now. Or say any big dreams of a Bagana. Oh, serious. They big dreams of a Bagana, and then I'm in Charlie. Eddie Abbey. And honestly, almost will you be a penny papa? A penny papa. I have them by a cry. I'm going to say, see what? He said, or church no, a mamma no ma. Hey, but I just want to kiss you. We think it's where the animal masses are.
Not bra, didn't take it to any months. Hey, because one put a kitten in the eyes. Casey, Johnny, second number drama, your mind put from a crancamenti. Share, why I show you. You too neat, but much coin and pinafore crew him. Nah, pity Kusiana, but much romina. Now, when mammy said, or check his word. Won't be built, be authorian. Be authorian. Papa be able to do Papa no. Mamma's one another.
Now, me just say ye didn't come cry, young men could book his word. Oh, yes, I now will send Commona ye dino.
Papa, you are saying young. You do maybe a hundred many part a cotty baby may be crying on our one. But you must say a hundred no money, yes, I am.
Oh, man, can.
Okay.
Make Cassabo the Evis, obey defended Kiswa. What's all dignity? I want to say, hey, bra, Chukrumia say, one Cassa Shukrubai. Show mom who children Krumia, no monk. What Nigeria, long fish come by and cutting and sing out this cabai. Did the entina me, Kofi, Papa, Mammy, young chuchu say, ye cookroom, akobonko fo apo adwo musika die ntia so ba yetia
se si antu wo pese o kire me se wo ye oba na se wo kwa ho kire ma e wo se wo koton wo asembe na wo kan adwuma nkiti wo ho a oba wo betimi aye wa mra wo ho kire enye sa
etimi basa brother there time say bia meeting ka say me sa asem na wo kan de me no nya age se wo kire wa eno nche se ko ne ko boja wo benya adwuma bi aye mami o de oni mi no so ko so ye fine what eno mami de bia ne aye ready na dia mi do na mania press pass and me pam.
What do you think?
I say there is liquid in it, but it's very hard. It's hard. We are going to carry on pie and you can't tell me.
Miti musa to na be dankasa ba we le o ma mi hu so ba na wa sha na wa yi ne sa wo sa
Me be biache.
It's very sweet, Baba. Hello. You're looking at your what? Your husband. It's nice.
Give me one. Let me go give it to him. Put it up.
Hey! Tomo! Sorry, I'm not trying to do it right. Sorry, why?
Come in.
Afra.
Come in, yeah? Darling. Hi, darling.
Oh, my
See what Kisiwa has been giving me.
What is
Try
that?
it. Kernel.
Come on, girl.
Hey! What are you guys eating?
You are looking cute. This is eto.
Eto?
Eto. It's a mashed plantain.
This one is mixed with palm oil and it tastes really good.
Oh, okay.
And then
Let me try.
No, don't eat it. I want to offer you something before. Look, this is what we call pito.
Pito?
Yes.
Pito? Hey, that is dirty.
No, it's not. That's the color of the pito.
Baby, you try it.
No, it looks like a dirty water. I ain't gonna take this.
No. You just taste it and see.
I'm your husband. I can never deceive you. Try it. How does it taste like?
Wow. Tastes good. You know what, guys? I'm now a Ghanaian by marriage. So whatsoever you're gonna eat, I am also gonna eat it. And whatsoever you guys drink, I ain't gonna be left out. Okay?
Sure.
Well said. Let's start with this. Let me add some more for you. This is where we start from.
It's okay.
Thank you, Papa.
Please don't take much, okay?
It's so nice. Let me go give some to Kisiwa, okay?
What is it?
Kisiwa, look. Kisi.
Yes.
Kisi, look at this. Taste it. It's nice. My husband gave it to me. Try it. Island is called Pito. Pito. You know, it looks so dirty. What did you say?
Do you have some in Ogomosho? Okay. It's nice. I did for
You take it.
Yes.
Drink it all. I brought it for
I
you.
do. Right.
Yes. Kisiwa, are you taking your drink?
Elvis. Asama mekan tieni. Kisiwa, mempese ubejiji nani bufia kwa. Woka se aware na wanware no. Eye nanika. Enye nanika kitikiti kra. Se wanhwe ye obeye oyire no bone ama bia kan.
Papa.
Ukotra Nigeria na nsianti papa mpo. Afi dia woko papa na woka no.
Okay. Papa. Kisi how can I say Papa? What to be name who? Ontiminya me yirisu. In a sense of papa, I worry am ni Krisu anware no. Ono ya we senya me fault. Na oba me pese me waro. Uti kro we mu na. Odo ho chicha rough papa. Na me chade. Na me hu akiri. E me hu akiri na me agya a. E de ebiem. Papa me maintain tesu into form sam fam tesu na form. Me jai.
Eya me de pa se wo hu ni sa. Eya me de pa. Na wo yire no so a wo patu de no ho abebo ni sa no so ase ne sei. Me mpani sa kura so de no ho bebo yire ni sa.
Papa, Asema King, you are right. But it mean your home shade. This year I say Jessica warning said Jesse. Anyway in the agro, men do in the agro, anyway in the agro, men do in the agro, papa. A very big problem. A very big problem. And I'm also a person in the gene I'm the buy. Also knows in a need so and I'm the number and in the AKAN. I'm certain warning now. What did you say in ABC? Tell them patch all the infant talk I cannot dear.
Sure, Elvis. Grumha. Mina metea. And I'm in Bia Subai. Also, so, oh, papa, me. A dear Metiwa me huno. O Peja Muko Tenadia Tintin said the answer, and Yadia will be home. It has my make canoe, and I'm a person with tea. Now, fan out the air, Juma. Now, boy. Saki Sidu, Nana would know, as Amreno. And you know what you was say no. Say they was say just a wa procra. Enti fe ohun yi.
Papa. Em so me ba na ohun mi no ohun mi yi. Em so nya ohun mi yi o. Me se bra Nigeria. Me do be ko no ohun ba bia mate. You were very high status, serious. Papa bia me worry governor ba de. Obi am tutu kwan rough. If America no see land in Germany, Holland, Nigeria am wono. My status was high. And they are krum here because of one Chris who have been telling about me status say shit. Not possible.
Me there a foot na me dey man wo. Me mpese e be ye no anka obeka se man kan kiro.
Apparently. Wow, ya we say Chris you be an hofe. Me no me ya we wa ku school kama. Me am gidi se obenya be mo say you go be obenya be mo chen me kra ware. See, I don't think say obey boni bi say tiai. If papa no dey fato me anasi Jessica onti me ye hu. No? Yo, ma ba na dey ma ba.
Hey, Kisiwa. Ah! Obi a me hwehwe wo, ami akwafu. Wodi me say me sisi mi ntimi nya hwe. Wona ho kadi. Ma hwehwe Kisiwa me hu. So de. Kisiwa. Hey! Adini o. Kisiwa. Ni course wo fie ho nyina me menitria. E ma ne ha wo kura. Hwe me kire wade bi. E ma yeguma hodo mienu. Ye wode woton. Ene ye wode wode che. Free. Wone wode che. Ene ye wo bia wone de woton ankasa. Na wo bia woton no ye fe ne sala. Ene wo bia wode che no brofum ye fe ne give am. Enti wode ye ton. What? Tom enfante chakura hwe woni wo wura yi wo kuram ha won tu kwaye ana ane no mo hyehyɛ mantwea mo ne nam bata ho nam bata na wo de che no na de che ne saa kwa wo firi ho ne hane wo koye wo ba ye nso so a wo de oba adi na chi so ahu abeche de busuafo mo na busuafo nso agina tum kama wo mutiri ye ya da ne yete ho se ade a wo ton ma no a kese se wonya japade ko oba ye amfa no ho biem hwanim guase wode ato me no mienu enti me pa wo chaw ema wo bia machichew E ball. Ebi di na na ebo. Ebi di so di ensa. Na ebi so di body. I body. Ani wo de ton. Ono so ne talent no no. The talent obi o ne just a talent no no. O bobolo ya talent. Wo so wo ba yesu ku yi talent wa anya bi. Enti wo talent wo nyame dia ma wo ye wo body. Wa ma body kama. Wo wi dia kama woni fefefe wo ho fe. Wo so talent no no. Wo de beton. Wo beton. So one ton wo body am fama menya. Fa so bi eni wo so. What? Sell your body for money. No? Sell your body. Sell what you say? Fama mema. Na faji ade.
Mama, me dem pese me nyini na me wai.
Oh, dabi, wo ton na wonya bibia wa wale. Na ma so daache. Wo ma hu se ye ma me agapade we ni wo yesi ye ho. Hwe.
Ntima munim se fotu. Unim pa na watna wa. Wenti mi anton body. Ke bia ete. You said you say che want me anton body am I setena mu say.
Me, first no na ye begimbre. Tetena na ye begimbre. Be ma bi pra krachi ni bi firi krom ba so be so pe kra na wudwane. Na se eye nemrem pa na mafo anam ani abri bia. Me. Ha, na me te so pe ka me ton papa. Ka wunyi ni ye kra ka ba hu sa me ton. Na anye yi amame o papa no ane se wogya me saa ama mia na me tete wa hwe wa beduru saa mere ton wate he wuwu na wo ko soro ayememu a wonyankopon kwa bebusa se enti wo body a me de ma wo de be dwuma na wo kwaye ye ba no aka kire awurade wo kwaya me de me de kwacheche wo se mo eja na da ho no kotom kone kotom wan fa anyi sika kotom na aso no ane se awurade maba o wase me ba wo do body ni ye de o se awurade me ton papa awurade wo hwehwe fom me japade gugu ho wase mo akwapa no kwalefo wodi kakra yi hu no kwale me wa mo enti ko wura fiye ko wura ni fa kwatena we ni fa afibo anu ani age wo so ahimam fo kra ni age na wo besi ho aye bom mama be ma aha Tom! Use your body. For men. Men use your body ma fianka boys now. Wamu ya ni ya pamu wano. Use your body. Wakon mo dem mani.
I really had fun today, you know. Thank you. Oh, I had so much fun today.
You're not tired. Let's sit for a while.
You. Lissy.
I hope you're not tired.
No. I actually had fun, you know. I had fun today. But Chrissy, you know that big giant tree where you take me yesterday?
Yes.
Please now, you're my friend.
Why?
I want you to take me to that giant tree where I go snap pictures. Where I won't go show my friends now. Tell them, say, I come Ghana.
Wow, the flash is in now.
Pictures. Oh, I want snap pictures. I won't go show all my friends.
Don't worry.
I won't go show all my friends, say I come Ghana. What will be the name of this village?
Hey,
Agami, I don't do anything. I don't do anything.
Hey.
She's a stranger.
Hey. No man in the chat, you.
Please go and tell.
Hey. What is your money?
My money is here. My money there. Hey. Pussy now.
Don't shout.
Hey. Boy, Chris, can you? Mike. Chris, can you?
Don't shout.
I'm not going to shout now.
From. Run!
Hurry up now, princess.
Wait, it's okay. Jesus.
Oh,
I'm tired though. I won't go again.
Me too now.
Yeah, come here.
Hey, princess now. Oh,
lying,
princess, make you no joke plus this one now.
I'm lying.
Let me
I think I
that.
have to rest. Oh my God. Why do you have to carry money on you? This is a small village. Why?
Me, I think say we go, you know, spread the villagers where they go feel me, you know.
I'm tired.
Oh, gosh. You should say they don't go come back
No,
here.
they
Why?
won't come again. They've got what they want.
Hey.
I don't see anything yet. Oh.
Yes, you God, I don't tire.
Has your husband told you something about this village?
He's not talk me anything now.
Okay, then I think I'll do you a favor. And I'll tell you.
Oh, just
You see?
now, this one too.
Wait. You see, there's a sacrifice they do for this village. I mean, they use that sacrifice to clean this village.
Sacrifice?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, don't scare me now.
Hey. And they normally use human blood.
Hey! Tofiakwa. Blood? Of what?
I mean strangers.
Strangers like me?
Yes. The blood of a stranger.
Hey, God forbid, oh. Hey! Me.
Listen, they left it 1 month. They will do that sacrifice.
Eh?
Yes.
1 month.
Yes. How long are you going to spend here?
Me, I talk Elvis, I won't spend 3 months in your village now.
And you'll be dead by then.
Make you not talk me this now, be my friend now.
They've not done this year's own yet too. Yes.
So where they go do am now?
I don't know.
Oh my sister, talk me now. You did this village now. You dey see everything where you go around.
Well, the time we say they're about to do it. You see, they teach me small. I like it. They're about to do it. And I'm sure they've seen that you are here.
Huh?
You know you're a stranger.
Me?
Yes.
Yeah, I can't die in this strange land though. I can't.
And if you can't, then what I can tell you is go back. I beg you, force your husband to take you back.
Back to Lagos.
You want to stay here? You want to stay here?
Hey.
Listen. Don't tell him that I told you.
No. This now between me and you now. I'm not going to talk about anything.
Because if you tell Elvis, and then Elvis tell the elders in this village, they're going to kill me.
They're going to kill you?
Yes, that is if you do so.
No. Leave Elvis out of this now. I'm not going to talk him. I'm not going to talk him, I promise.
So what I can tell you is to force him to let you go back.
This one go be difficult too. You know Elvis now. You know
that now. Yeah.
Okay, so it be like saying where I won't go, I for take Elvis plus me, right?
No. You go alone.
Can't you go alone? My husband now. I can't leave him here.
Go alone, later you come.
Hey.
Go apply Elvis over group.
I want to go.
Elvis only.
Elvis, don't kill me, oh. Elvis, don't kill me. Elvis, hey! I'm lying. Wait, to stop this joke now. You don't say to me, are they scared? Eh?
I'm sorry.
My papa don't dey in America where I come here to suffer now. Wait till be this now. Take me home. I won't go back to Nigeria. I won't go back to Lagos now.
Jay-Z, I have told you to calm down. I don't know what is wrong with you. What has suddenly come over you, Jay-Z? Huh? Tell me, what is it?
Darling Elvis, nothing has come over me. I have been telling you since yesterday that I want to go back to Lagos. I want to go back to my country. Okay?
You know what, Jay-Z? I quite remember you told me that you love our food, you love our drinks, and moreover, you love my people. What is it then, huh?
I was pretending. Okay? I was just pretending to like your people. They are so filthy. Everywhere it's so filthy.
Jay-Z, God have mercy on you. Huh? What did you just say?
Did you say mercy? Did you just say mercy? You know what? Go tell that to your mama, your papa. She's the worst of them all. She come kissing, hugging, and all that stuff. She smells like shit.
Listen to me. How dare you open your filthy mouth and insult my mother? Are you sick? Huh? Are you mad? Now listen to me. I'm not used to beating women. I don't want you to be the first or the last lady I'll beat. I don't care if you are the governor's daughter. I am going to beat you mercilessly the next time you insult my mother.
Elvis. Elvis. It be me where you talk to like that. Elvis! Sure you won't beat me. Okay, you won't beat me. Everybody come see her. My husband wants to kill me. Kill me! Kill me, oh, kill me! Beat me, you gonna beat me today. Everybody come see her. This useless man, he wants to beat me today. Can't you smell the filthiness in your village?
Jay-Z, are you sure everything is okay?
Oh, hey, are you asking me whether if I go crazy? Okay, I dey crazy. Sure you they make me crazy. Okay, I dey go mad. Stupid, useless man.
Okay, you know what? Gather your things. You pack your bag and baggages. You are going back.
That is what you want, Abby? You want me to leave you alone? Okay. You know what? If you, Elvis, you want me, JC, hey, the governor's daughter, you want me to die here with you? No, me, I don't want to do that. I love my life. So you can rot here for all I care. Nonsense.
I said pack your bag and baggages. You are leaving. What is your problem again?
Useless man. See that one?
The other can catch him now. Mijna mempeo.
Tell me, you know, Kwana Ujina won't pay. I cram Jack when you save money.
You save a coffee.
No, what's your mammy? Me po bruta na sembintia. You is why sweet.
Jamie Munsu.
Hey, it is super we enjoy. Okay, tell. Is it when you me both fear, mammy oh. So me fear any safe because me mammy oh. You get is what I do so. Tuning. You say anything coachna. Yami aduma. You come next time. I just the baby a very convenient and meet me in Komokakra. Because we say we didn't come and Mako.
What do we call next time? Me timi club na person 2 months said me call next time. Emma.
Tell me do. You know me timi side no.
Another first me ntimi fa baby a. First me no. Bibia no baby a person e gine bi na ye tete.
Ti, sa simtina ma we nyina ba. Am pese tena se ne yakasa. Yakasa ne bibia free hono. Kisiwa kasa mo e.
Bube kan dio kancha mi na menye ready se me connect town ya. Kan you be kancha?
Oh choti. Me pese e din komo. Nyese me ba be fa se me no tena okeke. Me pese me ware. Ti na pese tena se din komo. I already say me pese me ware. Now you say me no move.
E ka Ogomosho ho me wa.
Oh David. Can dey say over. What need to say is over. Me say me ware na me no start bibi. Start bibi fofo kwa. Ti me slow. So they come more come amra from no china. Ishia ni ti me nko. Padaro.
It's not time me.
I will. If I say free bed 5 more on anymore. Why? By the way, I'm in for we now say never. Before answer me who be to make you try ho kakra. Why? Kisiwa. I need to engage you for you try watch now.
Yes, can you na me ba wo? Yes, can you na me ba? I have a casual discard that.
David. Ti, why is who say yet and was that? Na sem na aba. Ska makonya nyina no na ese nka munti. Eto ani tua asem na aba. Ba nye late. Memo diska what?
Me dem e ko.
Want to mu kakra kra. Oh my goodness.
Princess, how are you?
I'm fine.
And your mom?
Yes, she's fine.
You're looking splendid this
Oh
afternoon.
no, don't start it today.
Oh, it's true.
And you're also looking good.
Ha.
Yes, you're
Karen.
looking fine.
Thank you.
I like your hair. Ever since you've been here, I've been watching you.
Maybe the next time I come, I'm gonna bring you one.
Okay.
And I'm gonna fix it for you myself.
All right.
Siwa. Has your friend told you she's going back?
Yes, she told me, and I was very shocked. I'm really gonna miss her. And why are you people leaving so soon? I just can't believe she's leaving so soon. Why? What's wrong?
I have to go. I miss my family.
Yeah, it's important.
And I want to go home too.
I know you are going to miss her and she's going to miss you too. You know, she likes you very, very much.
Yeah, I'm going to miss you.
And I am going to miss you too.
You know, ever since you've been here, I don't have a sister, so I've taken you as my sister.
Ha!
And then
I'm
all
blessed.
of a sudden you're leaving.
Don't worry. I'm sure I'm going to come back some other time just to visit you.
I hope so.
And I'm going to miss you. Ha! Lest I forget. I have some clothes for you.
Really?
Let me go in. Yes.
Wow, thank you so much.
Don't mention it. Let me hurry and then bring them out, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Yes, sir.
Now what to say?
No food, sir. Me share me walk for come home. No food, sir. Me hang me.
And you remember who me a dinko moga?
I didn't come, Medoka.
Come on, rough. You have to train. Come on, rough. Why? There's a new dinko moga.
I didn't come.
Still, me do, Peter. Huh? It say, me no harm is serious. Oh, harm papa. You do worry gun and you cry and key.
Oh, winning this. Huh? Anyone where I can walk off a deal with your bag. Bow, no jobs. New woman, dear. Or bad the beer we see a number of you.
My realizing mistakes. Yes, it's a for we in Chini. I'm some Sabamichi, but I don't know.
Free me need to free ako. Kotna me bi out no. Sorry kotna. Yes, one ako. We go me anagi. We go no kan yes.
Oh, Kisiwa.
Yes.
Sorry, I kept you guys waiting, okay?
Hey.
Here.
Wow.
Some bits and bobs. Let me just put this thing somewhere. Yeah. I'm sure they will fit.
They will. What size? Let me see.
That's 5.
They are nice,
fine.
Yes. This thing, unless I'm going to a party.
You can even take it to church, party, you know.
If I take this to church, the Roman father will sack me.
How?
We don't do that. We are used to that.
He will love it. Okay? And here's my card. You can call me. Here, take it.
Can't call you. There's no com center here.
Don't worry. When you go to town or you go to the market, you can just go to a communication center and then call me. As soon as I get to know the number, I'll call you back.
Okay. Wow. Oh, thank you.
You like them?
Yes, I do.
I'm glad you like them.
Very nice.
You can even try them on later.
Oh, no.
I mean later.
Okay, I will. Oh, I know this top.
You like it?
You've been wearing it.
Yeah.
You know when to be BLANCHE, so what?
Who's a Jimmy? Who's a Jimmy?
Where dear?
Oh, but then
What did you say?
Oh, she's admiring the clothes, you know.
Yeah, I can see she likes them.
So, this is my patch, the patch.
Who's a Jimmy? Poor fool.
She
I'll go for a when he found a chime. When him said the Messia born who can't find him. So when him one can young Africa.
You know, you're admiring the clothes, right? I know this one will fit you because
wait
you have the body.
We have a pan at him. Hey, this sound say we have a pan at the champion.
She says you are very beautiful, you know.
Oh, but she's also beautiful.
Yes.
That's why I like her as a friend, you know.
The only one I bought flu.
Oba weti ene huwafo Oshishe yasiye chapati nina Odina honfechio Odina honfere data wo Trickstar tise maratona o Ochifra brintini your brain po Oba wedi nini atio Ordinatu for radiatio Entronia koshidia panuko Wayane ho hinte rie chire Oniye sheniye yo Ordinatu for radiatio Entronia koshidia panuko Wayane ho hinte Oniye, sheniye yo. Yeah, I say ye yo. Shawuhuye yo. Yeah, I say ye yo. Yeah, I say ye yo. Yeah, I say ye yo. Shawuhuye yo. Obete wakumo.
My dear Kusiwa, it brings me joy anytime I read your lovely letters. Since I left for Nigeria, I have not stopped thinking about you. My wife nags all the time and keeps threatening to leave me. She has also promised never to set her foot here in Ghana again. Because to her, our people are primitive and barbaric.
What's it? Yay! What's it?
What do you say? Nenia Jason is coming. Me letter me. Nah.
You don't know.
Just say why you chubby. And now, Obana say one to Ghana view. And now, Ghana for you cross over your ninty.
Yeah, Nitrisun a pampaso. Nitrisun or Nina and Ninte. Yeah, Ghana for your ninty. She will buy a well who Ghana. Yeah, you cross of my mother, my
She suspects everything I do. Trust has also died in our marriage, and I am seriously thinking of getting a divorce, especially after reading your last letter in which you said you are pregnant for me. I want you to know that I am fully responsible for your pregnancy and that I want the baby. I will visit home soonest and legally make you my wife.
What's it? To say, I dear baby, and a wife, not to take it. Obanin Ginny. Now, I will be no cry, but sweet jay. What kind of letter no? What is a minium no cry?
I saw the kind of Mr. Jay.
Was he a colonian? Oh, blitz. So, would Jaya worry and no Baba worry me?
And one of Radimita was swung. Some catches a yenny walk cream, and a free wageke eba. Yenny, how about it? Yea, what's it say to us?
Please do not mention this to me in your letters, because I still need my wife's support and her connections to complete my mission here in Nigeria. Extend my greetings to your mom, and please take good care of yourself. Lots of love.
Elvis. What's it? Well, see, Mitrona. Niwaka jemi na mama nkambi yo melete no so bani hu a ade a obuana amana yo na jirana hwe na wa amuo no fiso so chia
yeah meje wo so krache meje wo so papa na so so oh yeah yeah mama chia ni bi mama chia ni bi yeah bani ade
wo so wodom me
me da wase
ni na mama hwe hey nyinsa no na ni se die si a chino na mama se menyimu
oh nyinsa no ni se se onyame aboa ama se waji watom awie say nyinsa na de me say won't fall letter me kwa ko tape na ma pe cassette na me de ama wo tue yesu say my baby na just say baby ni wawu wayi aku
mama we
asai
we criminal
my baby hey say me ka to say me ba tobo Jabi bia no ba ne de woni ne mom na ebre pesika na wo wadi akwa kuma to yam so amu ba de nyame aye so ni de
me da wase adami de wiwaye adami de ekafu ale
wo yesa de wo yakoko no ba
nyame bambino
ebrade me tete no a
mame
eh se me sa wo to hia ene me tete no a ka konkoma mene no so Miami bambino
mame wo asisi no ya
asisi nya ya sabe say ya besu Miami bambino yeah boy we mi ya besu bisisi
mayi mani
yeah wo wura yi o mame no papa ya yo mo fucking
Mami, come here.
Yeah, I'm fucking.
Yeah, near you.
Everybody at the bus.
No. I am going to blow your hair, okay? okay?
Blow my head, boy. Blow my head.
Tony! You know, I have decided to come and settle down here in Ghana because, you know, I'm no longer sure about the one I have in Nigeria.
You're already settled and you're talking about to you, Jessica has always been the best woman.
I must say, she was. You know?
She was?
She was, yes. You know, since she visited Ghana, she has changed. I mean, a total change. She doesn't believe a word I say, and she wastes no time telling me I'm not coming back to Ghana again. You know, no, I don't love your people and their ways. And can you imagine that?
You're telling me?
Tony, it's bullshit.
Man, is it true bullshit?
But one thing is, no matter how long I stay in Nigeria, one day I'll have to return home and settle down. And she told me point blank that she's not coming back to Ghana again, but me. And that if we should have children, they will also not visit Ghana. And how do you expect me to feel at ease? So I have decided to come down here and find myself a very beautiful one. Do you know that beautiful girl in our village?
There are a lot of beautiful girls.
You should know. Kusiwa.
My brother! My brother!
Yeah, go again.
Mommy, say what's daughter?
That's it.
My brother. Huh.
Exactly.
You be bad boy. You didn't say you be bad boy.
That girl was the girl who was supposed to marry you. It is not yet late. You know what? Tell me the last time I was here, I did play my cards.
That's me!
That's me! You know what? Right now, as I speak, she is heavy with my
baby! You're lying.
Yes, of course.
She's pregnant for
Sit.
pregnant! That's your bad boy.
You know,
in fact, you don't have Christ in you.
I've decided to go back to the village very early tomorrow and inform mom and dad, you know.
So soon?
Few of the family.
So soon?
That's it. Tony.
Bro, you're a bad boy now. And toast your successful marriage.
That's it.
Bring it.
Shakai! A fool! A chop!
She, Elvis. So what Jenny say, yen? Ye baba jiki su atum, say yasia. And ya ubwa. And ya juma da. Have you understood when you musu bi kra na yabo? Yeti hey, yeti Jessica ni no. Jessica ni enim sa wo yire no ya gina tum. Ye ko sa wa chi man ko ware.
Jiminy imbusu.
Jessica wa na odi ne baaye e be kire yen. Yesusu ye ni agi no ya gina tum. Na ye den na nura ni nre enne ne nura ye. Uja na akwakofa. Ye kisuwa yi a. Wa ye no ho mutuo chance obi adidi mu bie.
Papa Jai. What do you Jai? Brother Elvis. What is wrong? What is wrong? E wo mi se mi sa. Me ya kwara so de o catch papa ne ma me die. Me toasum. What is this ka fra going to my? Papa Jini too. Mommy Jini too. Me so me Jini too. I'm okay with her. She's friendly. Every day bani say na running the ya with my so dream pet. Oh, brother Jai.
Kofi, shut up! Shut that filthy mouth of yours. Tell me, when he yaks when in tongue? Huh? When he yaks when in tongue? What do you know about love? She power thing. You.
Hey, Jessica. One you se wu peu. What did not ban Yajina to
Yenino?
What? And so, ya one woman ye chiri. Nessa a kissy walk of any in saying. One quaped your in saying. Was Saria, Rura. What did you kissy? Say kiss you, so. Who are watching this one? Coaching compared your name. Una Sasa.
Me dey makama asemu. Na asem so amaka no so eno ano no. Enya dia mumu bia betime asama adwen. Eti se munim se mo dwen hu ya, mo hwera mo nyi hu yi. Because ma adwen eno ano no, asama adwen biem.
Obe na adwen nya adwen.
Papa, ni nyina nse. Obekwa ko jame. Amma ko eno ho ade na se wonko. Kama masonte.
Keni oti wa wo bisa. Se me kwa ko jaw. Amma ako hu ya kisu abusuafo. Se ya mi o. Se ya o ma mi o. Se ya oni akitu ayi o. Obie ni wa wo di wachi ako hu ya kisu abusuafo. Eti wa nkasa de o pe no ya o hu.
Papa mesremo wadaroma. Se nyame abie kwan a. Monta me chi fefefe. Na nke kwan no ho ade. Penfu bu bebi se okrum pete wodi nam kra ebika
enim sa.
Mo amuze mo pe mo banana. Nyame chade. Nyame so ache yibi. Se bi ebiem papa. Mesremo
si epe. Na kisuwa we bi ni epe. Hwe se wa bo wa mena wa kọ. Na ko dem. Na ya ni ebe pia wati kọ. Akwa to amena num.
Ma ban.
Ya nya ba ma ne. Wa kọ na kọ do amena.
Okay. Papa, said the sick and be can. Me see asema maka no, eno ana maka. Se mu ni machi, e ma me kwai no ho ade a. Okay. Mate. Me so minim dia meye.
Hey, Elvis, camera. Ah, enti wo tua fa wo ma me so.
Ma me German ko beba.
Abanu nyene huafo. Oba we diene huafo. Oshisheria sie chapati nina. Odina honfetio. Odina honfere data wo. Trickster to say maratona o. Otifra Britain in your brain po. Oba we diene ni atio. Yeah, I say yeah. Shawu yo, yeah, I say yo, yeah, I say yo, shawu yo, obete wakumo, ordinatu for radiatio, entronya koshidia panuko, wayane ho hinte riechire. Oniye, sheniye yo. Hey, ordinary for radiatio. Enjoy kwa shida panupo. Eh, wayane ho ohinte diechre. Oniye, sheniye yo. Yeah, I say yo. Shawu yo. Yeah, I say yo. Kakra ojukuno. The papa size no wankuro. Kocha masana mubu punetio. Opewe ku